Hi everyone, I'm Suraj. Me and my teammates are going to talk about the topic physiological control system. These systems are crucial in regulating body functions and maintaining stability. Today we will focus on understanding the muscle stretch, reflex, transient and frequency response analysis and their practical applications in health. Now, let me set the stage what we will explore today. We will begin by focusing on the muscle stretch reflex, a productive mechanism that ensures our muscle don't overstretch or tear during sudden movements. A great example of this is the knee jerk reflex, which you might have experienced during a routine checkup at the doctor's office. Today, we are going to delve into fascinating parts of this field, the study of reflex and control mechanism in the human body. Reflexes are quick automatic response that helps us survive and adapt to our environment. For an instant, when you accidentally touch something hot, your hand will pull back even before you are consciously aware of the danger. This is thanks to the reflex in your system. For example, the pupillary light reflex helps to control the amount of light entering our eyes, while the muscle stretch reflex prevents injuries during sudden movements. Sounds interesting, right? Let's start with the basics of muscle stretch reflex.
Let's understand the muscle stretch reflex, which is an automatic response designed to protect our muscles. Here, let's see about how it works. When a muscle is stretched, sensory receptors called muscle spindles detect the stretch and send the signals to the spinal cord. The spinal cord processes this and immediately sends a response signal back to the muscles, causing it contract. This reflex ensures that the muscles don't overstretch or preventing injuries. Take the knee jerk reflexes test an example. When a doctor taps your patellar tendon, it stretches your quadriceps muscles, triggering a reflex contraction that makes your leg kick. This reaction helps in milliseconds, showing how efficient these control systems are.
Transient and frequency response analysis. Of course, to study physiological control systems like muscle stretch reflex, we use techniques like transient response analysis. The transient response shows how the system reacts over time when there is a sudden change. For example, after a muscle contracts during a reflex, we analyze how quickly it stabilizes back to the resting state. We also use frequency response analysis to study how systems behave, be subjected to periodic inputs like changes in heart rate during exercise. By examining the stability and efficiency of these responses, we can identify potential abnormalities in neuromuscular or circulatory systems. For instance, in heart rate control, this helps us design pacemakers that can adapt to both physiological activity and rest. Now, Savary will highlight the real-time application of these studies.
The study of physiological control system has led to remarkable achievements in medical field. For example, relax action is used to diagnose a spinal cord injury and neuromuscular disorder. Similarly, study of probability reflex can help detect brain trauma and neural condition. Techniques and frequency response analyzing and also applied for the development of life-saving devices like ventilator, which stabilize the breathing pattern, which is use natural muscle reflex for better mobility. I like to conclude the session. In conclusion, the physiological control system provides insights in the body complex feedback mechanism and inspire to innovate healthcare technology. Understanding them in not only in academical manner, it's also improving their lives. Thank you for joining us. Thank you.